Long time ago, Dragon protected the valley, but was punished by heaven for his arrogance. He blamed us. Now, trapped in his icy prison, he plots to destroy us. Our only hope might be my pupil Skunk.
Skunk fool, balancing the earths and the heavens with an old wise panda and a whole pack of legends. Fox, rabbit, pig, snake, and killer bees. Duck, crane, tiger fighting off ninja monkeys and baboon. That evil dragon won't prevail over young skunk skills and that old stink tail. Defender of the valley from the dragon in the lake. Using mind, body, and soul to fly as you meditate. The yin, the yang, the shadow boxing technique, the monkey flip type.
Skunk fool! The art of lightning.
So there I was. I just fought through 10,088 ninja monkeys, only to find myself face to face with the big slobbery furball himself. I wanted him. Until...
Rabbit, you've saved the valley.
Cutting it kind of close with that tree, Panda, don't you think?
You're so handsome when you wail on big, smelly primates.
Gee, Rabbit, you're the awesomest!
3 cheers for Rabbit! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip
Hip hip hooray!
Wait. You're the awesomest? I don't remember any of that.
Yeah, well, maybe Frog said that. He's always talking about how great I am.
I don't know, Rabbit. I'm not buying it.
Suit yourself, Squirt. But then how do you think I got this?
From your shower drain?
Psh, this is an authentic clump of real baboon fur. Sort of a memento from my epic, heroic, totally wicked battle.
Whoa! A real battle trophy? Can I touch it?
Sure, kid. I got plenty of little souvenirs like that kicking around. When you've been around as long as I have, it gets hard to remember all the butts you've kicked. Hey, Squirt, be careful with my... How do you do that, Squirt?
Huh? Who's the awesomest now?
Quit messing around, kid. You have any idea what this means? The lightning claw attack.
The lightning claw!
A long time ago, in the before us time, there was a powerful technique that was used to control lightning itself. The lightning. I could become an unstoppable lightning warrior. What would old Pandy say about that, huh? I'd be running the show.
Hey, come on! I discovered the move, so I should have a say in it. Maybe I could use it to snag some trophies of my own.
Sorry, Squirt. It's my fur, so I'll decide how to use it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Truce!
Truce. We can share the power, but we gotta learn to wield it together so we don't keep shocking each other. Deal?
Deal. Clear!
All right, Skunk. I'm gonna need the fur to charge up. In fact, why don't you just stand right here, just in case I run out of juice. A bit lower. Perfect. Now don't move.
Nice shot!
So, what seems to be the problem, Mr. Pig?
Well, for the last week or so, I've noticed I've been stuck in this log.
I see. Small dose of lightning claw treatment might give him the jolt he needs to break free.
Totally. Hey, do you think I could be the
Not
one
now,
to...
Skunk. We got a situation here. I need fur. Stat! Now, Mr. Pig, you're gonna feel a slight tingling sensation.
Wow, I'm cured!
Come on! I think we're finally getting the hang of this, Squirt. What? Hey, what gives? I can't believe it. It's out of juice. You must have used it all.
What? I haven't gotten to practice at all. Oh, I've been your fur-carrying boy all day. Forget it. I'm getting some more.
More fur? Ha! Where do you think you're gonna find it? Baboon. You're gonna need my help, kid. All right, you distract him, and I'll...
Oh, no, you don't. I'm not gonna let you get the fur all for yourself.
Don't worry, kid. There's plenty of fur for both of us.
I'm in my calm, peaceful centre. It's a happy place full of rainbows and buttercups. Replace all anger with rainbows and buttercups.
Hey, Buttercup.
Replace all anger with rainbows and buttercups. I'm gonna rip your peaceful centre to pieces!
Come on. Hui! Give it up, kid. It takes a real warrior to get what we're after.
I've almost got
My tail's getting dizzy.
charge. Hey, Rabbit!
Nice try, kid. We just built up a charge from rubbing against the fur on Baboon's back.
Rub my fur? Is that what you're playing at? Two can play at that game, or three in this case.
We're starving.
all your fault, you know. You just had to go and discover that move.
Me? You're the one who let Baboon in on the secret.
Come out, wherever you are. I just want to thank you for teaching me such a wonderful technique. This calls for some reinforcements. Monkeys, rub my fur. Well, don't be bashful, start rubbing. Whoa, not so hot, hey! Stay out of there. Your stupid move made me balls! Well, go on, find them! You're all useless!
He's all charged out! Huh?
I got this thing I like to call my personal space.
Quick, rub my tail.
Ew, I don't want to rub your stinky tail. I hope you know what you're doing.
Rainbows and buttercups.
I can't believe it! I just totally kicked Baboon's big bald butt. Well, we kicked Baboon's big bald butt. Baboon took one look at us and went running. When the smoke cleared, I found this.
Awesome! What is it?
One of Baboon's hairs. Just a little battle trophy.
Wow, Skunk! You're the awesomest! Show us the lightning move.
Nah, it's only for emergencies. I don't want to go bald like Baboon.
Say, Ox, have I ever told you what lovely thick coat of fur you have?
Ah!